So I've parked the Volvo in the Ben Nevis Visitor Centre car park. I've paid for 24 hours. Now the plan for today is to hike up Ben Nevis, UK's highest mountain, full winter conditions, ice axe, crampons, billocks. Now I am hoping to do a wild camp. Well, I better be with all this kit on. But I'm not sure about a summit camp because although the forecasts are great today, during the early hours of tomorrow morning the wind's going to pick up pretty high and it's down as very poor visibility. So I'm going to see what it's like once I get up there and make a wise judgment call based on that. And if you look that way, you'll see exactly what I mean by perfect winter conditions.